Here's another restaurant with an overlooking view na 1-hour drive lang from the city. Perfect siya for dates, family lunches, or sa next titahan nyo. Hey friends! Come with us sa brunch date dito sa Hill House Dining in Antipolo, Rizal. Less than an hour, andito na kami and ang ganda ng place at ng view. Let's see if okay din yung food nila. We started strong with the shrimp and squid gambas, my favorite. Maganda yung luto sa shrimp and squid, malasang malasa, kita naman sa sauce. And I love the crispy bits of, I think, fried onion yun. Itong thrice cooked adobo nila, very promising. Favorite siya ni Lovey. The flavor is spot on, tapos medyo crispy, which we enjoyed. Sadly, malata yung adobo rice and medyo konti yung adobo for the rice. The country style fried chicken naman, magugustuhan ng kids and kids at heart like us. Malasa siya hanggang loob with a very crunchy outside. Could be more tender and juicy, but hindi naman siya yung matigas or dry since I think it was brine. The pesto pasta din, promising kasi ang generous sa pesto. Lasang-lasa ko yung basil but it lacked saltiness.